Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products, and if you are in the process of swapping out your turbo on your 07.5 to 22.67 Cummins, you may or may not need a turbine shaft speed sensor. What I mean by that is a couple things happen. Sometimes when you get that replacement turbo, it does not include that. If it doesn't include that, you may still need one, because what we see a lot of times is that gets damaged or broke in the process of replacing that Holset turbo. Fleece has come up with a solution for you and came out with their turbine shaft speed sensor that works with all Holset turbos for that 07.5 to 22.67 Cummins. So you can get this if you don't have one, or if you damage one in the process of replacing that turbo, and you can get it today at dieselpowerproducts.com.